Welcome to Action Library. This is a perfect tool to save you time and improve animation quality. Let's see how your typical animation process looks. Tons of clicks, thousands of keyframes and many hours of work. Forget about it. Just open Action Library and enjoy. This is a package of over 1,000 motion presets for your animations. Just select your layers and apply animation in one click. Now 5 hours of work is created in 10 minutes. No keyframes. You can change duration by using handy markers. Just mix presets between them to create your own animation. User-friendly extension will help you with it. A lot of categories: mega scale, beautiful patterns, crazy matte, stylish glitches, unique fade, amazing distortions and shiny color shifts. Action Library, a new way to create.